Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping it. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Once your design loads, you'll see your canvas with any images or elements you've already added. This is where you'll be working to adjust your image size while keeping all of its content intact. Now click on the image you want to resize. Make sure you're clicking directly on the image itself, not on the page or canvas around it. When the image is properly selected, you'll see small circular handles appear at each corner and along the sides of the image. These handles are what you'll use to adjust the size. Next, position your cursor over one of the corner handles. You can choose any of the four corners, but corner handles are crucial here because they maintain the image's proportions. Click and hold on a corner handle, then drag it outward to make the image bigger, or drag it inward to make it smaller. As you drag, you'll notice the image scales proportionally, meaning both the width and height adjust together. This is exactly what you want because it prevents the image from looking stretched or distorted. Here's an important tip to keep in mind. Avoid using the side handles if you want to keep the image looking natural. The handles on the sides only adjust either the width or the height independently, which can make your image look squished or unnaturally stretched. By sticking to the corner handles, you ensure the image maintains its original aspect ratio, so it looks professional and proportional no matter what size you make it. Once you've resized the image to your desired size, click anywhere outside the image to deselect it. This finalizes your changes and lets you see how the resized image fits within your overall design. And that's it. You've successfully resized your image in Canva without cropping any part of it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.